Hi everybody, and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download ExpressVPN on Firestick. Guys, I'll guide you through downloading, installing, and setting up ExpressVPN to stream securely or unblock content, plus explain why NordVPN is a better choice. Link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price. Let's get started. First, ensure your Firestick is second generation or later. First-gen devices don't support VPN apps. From the Firestick home screen, click the magnifying glass in the top left to open the search bar. Type ExpressVPN slowly to avoid typos, then select the first result with the red logo. Click the yellow Get or Download button to install the app. It takes about a minute depending on your internet. Once installed, click Open to launch ExpressVPN. If you don't have an account, grab your phone or laptop, go to expressvpn.com and sign up. Pick a plan, enter your email, and set a password. You'll need these to log in. Back on your Firestick in the ExpressVPN app, click Sign In. Use the remote to enter your email and password, or scan the QR code shown with your phone's camera for a quicker login. Follow the prompts to allow ExpressVPN to configure a VPN connection. Click OK when asked. You may see a prompt about sharing anonymous data for app improvement. Choose Allow or Don't Allow based on your preference. Once set up, you're on the main screen with a big power button. Click it to connect to ExpressVPN's smart location, which picks the fastest server, like one in the US or UK, for optimal streaming. The app will show Connected with a new IP address, securing your Firestick for private browsing. Want to watch region-locked content? Click the location bar, navigate with your remote, and pick a server, like USA, Los Angeles for Netflix US or UK, London for BBC iPlayer. It connects in seconds. Unique tip: go to Settings greater than Options in the app and enable Auto Connect on untrusted Wi-Fi to automatically secure your Firestick on public networks, like at a hotel. For smoother streaming, tweak your Firestick's display settings to 1080p instead of 4K if your internet's slow. If ExpressVPN won't connect, switch servers, restart your Firestick, or clear the app's cache via Settings greater than Applications, greater than Manage installed applications. Check expressvpn.com/support for live chat if issues persist. ExpressVPN's reliable with 3,000 plus servers in 105 countries and strong unblocking for Netflix or Hulu, but NordVPN is my top pick. NordVPN offers 8,000 plus servers across 126 countries, often at a lower price. Plans start around $3 per month versus ExpressVPN's $8 plus. NordVPN's NordLynx protocol delivers faster speeds for lag-free 4K streaming or gaming. It includes CyberSec for ad and malware blocking, double VPN for extra encryption, and supports 10 devices compared to ExpressVPN's 8. Both have 30-day money-back guarantees, but NordVPN's larger server network, budget-friendly pricing, and advanced features make it unbeatable for Firestick users. Link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price.